Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see they closed below the 50-day exponential moving average, which is big for us in the room on Friday. They retested it. They did a high last night of about 44.18, and they've really just been bleeding it down overnight. I'm not in this move. It just didn't set up well for me, mostly because I was asleep. It's just this stuff is going to happen. They're going to do these Globex pushes down. I don't typically like trading these in the morning either, because usually what will happen is you'll come in, you'll sit down, you'll see it, you'll be like, oh man, I missed the move. Oh no, it's never going to move again, which is total crap. And then you'll go ahead and say, well, I got to get involved. I mean, what am I going to do? Like it matters, or like there's anything you can do about the last 4 hours. And so you'll go ahead and you'll hit the sell button, and then you, my friend, you will be the low, because that's how trading works. You will be the low. Congratulations. Here's your gold star and your little paper hat. You're the low. So the best thing to do in these situations is just let it work. This market will open. It's about 7:35, 7:40 Eastern time. A couple hours before the open. I'll be there in regular session. The real takeaway for traders this morning, whether you were in it or not in it, is this tape is volatile. That's awesome. That is good volatility for trading. The fall trading season is here. I love the fall trading season. And, last week was a really solid week to trade. We got a nice little starting gun last night into this morning. So whatever happens as we get into the regular session, there's going to be some nice vol to trade, whether that's long or short. And, we feel good about getting our handles this week like we do every week. And we'll just, hopefully it won't take a whole heck of a lot of chop and slop to do it. So I will be interested to see what kind of a bounce the bulls put together this morning. The new weekly pivot. Let's go to the hourly chart. Your new weekly is 44.3275. You can see it's just a bleed down. It's just an absolute bleed down, and they took it up a little bit. Into that 8 o'clock hour. It wasn't particularly, it just a little bit here. And then they keep doing these little bear flags that you can get sucked into, but it's not, these are not buys in a downward tape, and down it goes. And they take everybody and they really take them out to the woodshed. And that was 3 hours of kind of giving, weak-handed longs hope. And then all of a sudden at Europe Open, right there, 2 a.m., just taking it away into the Europe Open at 3. So I'll be interested to see if the bears can put together another day. They put together a whole day on Friday. A whole day. It was great. And I'm no certified bear or certified bull. Look, when the market goes down, I get accused of being a perma bear. And when the market trends up, I get accused of being a perma bull. And as long as that's happening, I know I'm trading on the right side of the market most of the time. So that's fine. I want to see where we close. You have things like the 100-day now that are coming into view. So the 100-day on the front month is 42.82. I want to say on the continuation chart it's something like 43.11. So I always look this early into a new contract. I'm always kind of have my eye on the continuation number there. So let's see where we're at. Let's see what they do. It's what I've been telling you about these down moves. There will be bounces. What everything depends on is how do the bears react to the bounces, and they've been reacting very well. They have been reacting very well. You can have these little bear market rallies, and when they do that, when these violent moves happen, you can be long or you can be on the sidelines. What you don't want to do is be early and fighting them short. Early and fighting them short is going to get you into a big hole. And then just about the time you're ready to give up on everything, and then you give up on your trade, then it comes in a big way, makes a lower low, and then you are just, not only are you out of that, you're red and you're a mess. So when these violent bounces happen, you can be long, you can be on the sidelines. Don't be early and often short, because you're the one that's fueling it when you're doing that stuff. So And we identify those in the chat room for people, and we stay out of that stuff. So, all right, that's all I've got. I'll be very interested to see how this thing trades. It's a really solid opportunity for the bears to get down into some of these longer term moving averages that really need a look. They have not gotten a look in some time. So real quick, here's your 200. I'm not saying we're going there. The only point I'm trying to make right now is it's been a long time since we hit even the 100. That's the gold line. And what is that? November of 2020. So 10 months. Like I'm saying, these things at some point tend to revert to the mean. And we'll see. We'll see. But we're very early in that process. Very early in that process, and there's going to be a lot of bumps and rallies along the way. And if the bears let go of the rope on one of these rallies, you know what you get? You get new highs. That's exactly what you get. Don't think that stuff's off the table. Bears make one false move, we'll go print 45.50, because that's what happens. That's what happened here and here and here and here. It's So don't get lulled into, oh, it's great, just short it forever. Come on. Stop. They had a couple of good days. That's great. They won this consolidation battle. That's awesome. They never win anything. So they have their little skee ball tickets, and they took it down for a couple of days. But they're not going to win the CD player that's on the top shelf if they don't keep pushing. All right. Take care. I will be out with a midday update today. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come avoid bear market rallies. Come learn about why things happen and become a better trader. We will make you a better trader. Join the private Facebook group. There's a brand new training in there on risk management, which I think a lot of you need. There's one in there on managing trades, which I think a lot of you need. All right. Be good. I'll talk to you in a few hours.